do believe this is the E-rate model, you guys, that you're looking at. E-rate models will be on the same chassis as the Z06, so it's a wide body. I do believe this is a new addition to the museum. It opens up at the end of the month, June the 30th, a couple of days from now.
Really cool Corvette today. We're at Hendrick Chevrolet in Hoover. We've got Gary Nelson. He's the manager of the Corvettes, the master of the Corvettes. I see a Corvette coming, but I don't hear anything.
I feel the ground shaking.
What are we doing? Oh, wait. Who's that? Who is that driving that car? Holy cow. This guy, I don't even think he's supposed to be driving a car. Sir, do you have a license?
I do not, but I'm happy to do time anyway.
Hoover Police Chief Nick Durs's, whoa, he likes to growl a little bit. Now, I know you want to make the announcement. All the officers are going to get one of these electric Corvettes.
No, please don't say that.
Just kidding. No, but let's get back to the vet. Gary, tell us why this car is so unique.
Well, it's the first new Corvette since 1963. It's a hybrid, which hasn't had them before. Front engine's driven, drives the front wheels, and the rear engine's gas drives the rear wheels. It's for performance, not for economy. No plug-ins. It's just 3 miles is all you get out of a charge, and that's to get you in and out of your neighborhood or home late at night, whatever you want to do. But it's quite a performance. 0-60 in 2.4 seconds.
It's fast, and one of the things I hear from a lot of the car lovers, I don't know if I want an electric because I won't have that growl. I heard a little bit of growl.
Yeah, and then when you really accelerate, it sounds like a supercharger coming in when the front engine kicks in. So it has growl. Yeah.
And they're pretty rare. You were telling me this is the only one in Alabama?
It's the first one in the state. It's number 15 in the world. So it was just made in January and went through some quality control. We just received it. It's going to a local gentleman.
Yeah. Pretty fancy car. Cars have come a long way since 70 years ago with the Vet. Now you've got a hybrid Corvette. You think this is going to pick up? You think people are going to want to buy this one?
I don't know. The diehard Corvette people think this has to have a 4-speed transmission, big engine, and round taillights. So I think it's for the younger crowd coming along, and we'll wait to see.
Yeah, there was a new report that just came out that the electric vehicles, they're still the thing, they're still the future. Sales aren't as much as people had thought, but the big car companies are still pushing them.
They are, and the next generation comes out in 28 as a 29 model, and there will be some electric versions of that, but it'll still be a gas-powered engine as well.
All right, where'd the Chief go? Chief, come here. I got to ask you a question. Is this all a plan to keep people from speeding in Hoover, or are you going to have more people speeding?
We'll probably have more people speeding with these things, but
well, maybe if you put your officers in a couple, you can track them down, no problem.
they're pretty simple. But I'll talk to the mayor about it.
Okay, well, maybe we should talk to Gary. I think he should sponsor us, and both of us get one of
I
these.
think that's a great idea. We'll have to talk to Gary.
Gary, just give us a thumbs up, and we'll just jump in and leave.
75% of new Corvettes in Alabama come through here, so we can make that happen.
All right, should we get out of here? Let's go. Let's go, Chief. We'll see y'all later. I don't even know how to open this door. All right, this is too fancy. All right, here we go. All right, Nick, now we're both married, so don't try anything funny out here, okay? We're just going to cruise. Reporting live in Hoover, Russell Jones, WVRC Fox 6 News.
On your side.
Yes, sir. Woo! Let's go, baby.